Oh, did you take that? Yeah.
Right now, tell me where to go.
Tell me where to go.
Right now, tell me where to go.
Tell me where to go.
Right now, tell me where to go. Tell me where. Right now, tell me where to go.
So today we're working with the MOVMAX with a DJI RS3 Pro, a Sony FX3, and the DJI transmission. So we're gonna be testing all of those things today and hopefully don't lose anything. Shit, what? That might be good.
Got the MOVMAX arm on, trying to figure out the dampening and all that good stuff. And then we were switching this knob around, trying to, is it rebound?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like, the rebound. Like
how
we're trying
hard,
to
how
keep it.
quickly it comes back up.
We don't want it to essentially hyperextend back up to where it's doing that.
And then we're gonna have to figure out how tight we need these, but that looks pretty good.
Once you get it on, let's do an auto tune really quick, and then I'll make sure it's in slow mode. And honestly, on this, we're just testing dampening. That's all I really care about so far.
Dialing in the settings and tuning the Ronin.
We're gonna do this first, so
Looking in the camera
we're just
like
gonna
that,
spin the
break
block
it.
like twice.
Alright, no crashing because this thing's sold.
I'm never gonna sell this car. I f***ing love this car.
We're gonna test shots with that,
I need that other battery.
with this. This is the final ride of the E63 AMG dad mode mobile. How many's on there?
We gonna get that footy.
We're gonna shoot the egg. We got it all dialed up. Got its smooth settings ready to go. Haven't really ever gotten any footage of my car, so I'm excited. Locked.
It really should have only taken like a half day, but you know. Rain, and then other work. So we got a little lull in the schedule. We're about to take this out onto the interstate and do some high-speed testing. And Ian's gonna drive his car, the egg over here.
Egg bean.
Yeah, the spicy egg bean. So, why do you call it that?
I call it the
spicy
egg, but it's spicy
Why
because
is
it's
it
an
spicy?
ST and it's got a turbo and it's not.
Oh, I see.
People think it's a basic ass car and it kind of is, but I like it.
We also got all of the controls sorted out. So basically there's a setting inside of the Ronin for joystick controls. So we have that set up to where it should be really smooth, buttery pans.
All right, so Trent's putting the R3 on here now to see if we can get some rolling photos.
Seeing something.
Oh yeah, 15, it's pulling in the... Because
The ND.
that's further away from everything, so it's picking it up.
Go to 20.
Trent's gonna control the R3 with his phone, and then we're gonna see if the transmission will let us control the gimbal without interfering. Forgot to film earlier, but we're about to get on the freeway. Trent said it's getting some good stuff, so here we go. What's the consensi?
The consents. It looks like this game called Gran Turismo.
7.